I have my new insurance coming up, and I was checking policies and all that lot. Come on. Yeah. You got a lot taken off to 60. Yeah, so I was checking insurance quotes to sort of see what I'll be looking at this year, because I've now got a year's no claims. Like, woohoo! So you know, I was expecting it to sort of be about the £600, because at the moment I pay £1,400 a year for third party fire and theft. So I was sort of hoping that this year would drop down to sort of, you know, £700, £800 maybe. At least sort of knock a fair big dent out of it, so I didn't have to pay as much, because I now have the 1 year's no claims. And how I was looking online, you know, checking through them, and the first quote that come up was £1,100. I was on this comparison site. It wasn't Go Compare. It was oh no, it was actually Go Compare that first time. So yeah, it came as £1,100, but it was still sort of, you know, trying to figure out other prices. And I thought, oh, that's really not much of a saving. So I was letting it keep searching for more, and another one popped up, and I was £600. I was like, this is more like it. That's brilliant. I was like, £600. That's over half of the price I was paying before. I was like, this is fantastic. And then it did another one, and it was £430. I was like, holy crap! I'm saving almost £1,000 on insurance. I was just taken back. I was like, this is amazing. I was so happy now. I'm actually going to be able to have a bit of money for myself at the end of the month. Hiccups. So yes, I'll try somewhere else. I sort of saved that quote, and I was sort of trying somewhere else. So now I had I went on to went on to Admiral, checked on there, £420. I was like, even better, excellent. Oh well, I'll go one more. So I went on to Compare the Market. Put the same details in, everything exactly the same, and it went to £418 third party fire theft. And I was just like, wow, this is all of the insurance quotes I was dreaming of. In fact, it's not even that. I hadn't even dreamt it would be that low. I honestly thought, I was hoping for £600, and it went down to 418, and I was just like, oh, that's just amazing. It's still, granted, it's still a lot of money compared to what other people are paying for, like even super sports, but for me that is cheap. I'm 22 and that is cheap. But I went on to my current insurers and sort of put all the same details in, put a quote up, and I think it was £900, something like that, and I was like, yeah, that's not worth it. So even if they bring me up, there's no way they're going to try and try and match the price that the other company was. So I'm not even going to bother. I'll just say, oh, do you want to renew? I'll be like, no, I'm going to cancel. So yeah, good times ahead it seems. But it's just amazing how 1 year's no claims discount can affect the price so much. I mean, to knock off £1,000, that's it's amazing. Oh, and I also did a cheeky little check of Ninja, and just fantasy. I had a check, and it was a 1999 Ninja selling for 1,700, 18,000 miles of really low mileage. for its age. So I put that in. I put that in to the comparison thing, and it was £80 more than my bike now. £80 more than my ER6, and I was like, I'm so tempted right now. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it till next year, and I've got 2 years. I know the price drop won't be as dramatic for the 2 years insurance. I already know that, but it should still drop it a little bit. So yeah, perhaps next year I'll look at getting a Super Sport, a nice ZX 6R, 100 brake horsepower when it came out of the factory. So yeah, my restriction comes off in January, so I'm going to be test riding motorbikes, Super Sports and all that stuff, see what my next bike's going to be. And yeah, should be good. Fun times ahead. I know it's a long time away, but I can remember like it was yesterday, my test, my actual day of my test, and that year, and was it now 4 months, that year and 4 months coming up to 5 months, it's just flown by. So January is going to come round quickly. It really is going to come round quick. So yeah, anyways, I'll leave the vlog at this, and I'll see you guys there.